Thank you, Mama. I love my new shoes. Mama, my shoes look so beautiful.
Yes, my child, it looks pretty.
Mama, you should buy new shoes.
My dear, we don't have money right now. Goodbye, my child.
Bye, Mommy. Hey, come on, let's play outside.
No, I have a lot of work.
I will buy shoes for my mama.
Wow, nice work. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Here you go, sweetie.
For your art. Thank you. Now I will go and buy shoes for my mama.
Your mama will like these shoes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Mama, your surprise is coming. Mama, surprise!
Oh, red shoes. They're beautiful. Thank you, sweetie. Thank you, my child.
Please one like for my mama and follow me.